Hello friends, you're welcome to Crypto Money. Today I will be taking you on a tutorial how to buy cryptocurrencies, what is also known as altcoins, from Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange is where you can buy a lot of cryptocurrency, have ranges of cryptocurrency to buy from. Okay, before we go into that, I will advise you visit innovativeminds.org.ng. You have a whole lot of things to learn about cryptocurrencies, other internet business, and how you can start some profitable income online. Okay, let's go. If you have not registered on Binance, the link is below on the description. You can click on the link and register on Binance. Specifically, I'm going to be buying the coin called TRON. TRON is a coin in the CoinCap market. It's really growing so fast. It's growing so fast, and is one coin that you will need to look out for. TRON, as of today, this is what we call cryptocurrency market capitalization, and you see TRON is number 10, and it has a market cap of $10 billion. As of today, one TRON is sold at what? At $0.1. So I advise you to buy TRON and keep. So back to Binance. I may not be telling you why you need to buy on Binance, but Binance is one of the top exchange as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Okay, so as I said earlier, if you have not registered, you go down. The link is below. Click the link and register on Binance. Fine. Now, as you can see, I've already loaded my account with 0.02 BTC. So I'm going to be buying 2,000 coins of TRON. So just watch out, follow the step by step, and you know how to do it. Now you go to exchange, you click on basic. Once you click on basic, it's loading. Here we are. This is the exchange. Now don't get scared with all this information, these waves and all these things moving around. Just follow me and know what I am doing and follow suit. Okay, as I said, I am interested in buying Binance. Now this is where you search for the coins you're interested in buying. Binance is TRX. Here we are. This is Binance, and I am buying Binance under BTC market. We have Ethereum market, you have Binance coin, and you have USDT. So I'm going to be using my what? I'm going to be using my Bitcoin to buy exchange for Binance. So as you can see, now I'm going to be buying with the best market price. By the way, best market price. Look at it. This is the column where you're going to buy your Binance. All you need to do is put the amount you want to buy. If you want to buy 100% of the total BTC balance you have in here, as you can see, this is the total BTC balance I have, 0.2. But I'm not going to be buying Binance. I'm not going to be buying TRON with the total BTC I have here. Sorry, I've been using Binance. Okay, we're not going to buy all the TRON with the total BTC I have here. So if you want to buy all, you just click 100%. You're going to be getting 2,162. If you want to buy 65%, if you want to buy 50%, you want to buy 25%. But I will type in what I want to buy. That is what? 2,000 Binance. As you can see. So if you go to limit, if you want to buy, all you need to do is type 2,000 Binance, and you will see the amount of BTC you're going to be charged. So as it is right now. Let me just use the best market price, 2000 Binance. Once you click on 2000 Binance, all you need to do is what? You click on buy. Now look at it. Just say success. We have successfully what? Been able to buy Binance. Okay, let's go back. Let's check. Now, as you can see, I have my TRON already here, but this is my TRON, and this is the balance of the Bitcoin I have. So I've been able to buy TRON on Binance. As I said, Binance is a great exchange for you to buy all your altcoins. They have a whole number of coins you can buy, a whole lot of them. If you scroll down, you will see all the coins. This is BTC market, you have Ethereum market, you have USD market, and this is Binance coins market. And this is like your favorite. If you want to set favorite, you can set favorite. So I am using BTC. So it's the same process in buying any coin. As you can see, this is TRON versus TRON and Bitcoin, Ethereum and Bitcoin, Binance and Bitcoin. This is Ripple and BTC, and this is what? This is App and what? BTC. Okay, let's see if I can buy some Ethereum with the remaining money that I have in my BTC. Okay, look at this. Let's say 100% of it can only buy me 8 Ethereum. So let's see, buy Ethereum. Okay, must be. So the balance I have cannot buy. The balance I have on my cannot buy Ripple at the moment. So I want to thank you for watching. Please click the link below to register on Binance, and don't just watch, like the video. Thank you very much. And please don't forget, make sure you visit www.innovativeminds.org.ng for all your cryptocurrency news and tutorial and all online business. Thank you.